Like, share and subscribe to the channel for more updates on HVAC and refrigeration.
Question and answers. HVAC engineer interview. Mechanical engineer. Q. Calculating loads WRT any plan by using software. Use HAP 4.32 or any to find the loads. Q. Type of dampers. Fire dampers equals butterfly damper, non-return damper, motorized damper, fire damper, smoke damper, gravity damper. Q. Types of motorized damper. Motorized volume damper, motorized fire and smoke damper. Q. Types of grills and diffusers. Two-way, three-way, four-way, one-way, jet diffusers with fan. Q. What is VFD? Variable frequency drive. It is used to control the speed of motor by controlling the frequency applied to it. It is used with chillers, AHU etc., used to control the RPM of pumps. Q. How do you control or balance the chilled water? Double regulating valve in main line return, usually controlled from return using dry. Q. How do you control the noise or vibration in the duct? Lining, NC35, and reinforcement. Q. Temperature of water at outlet of chiller and inlet of AHU. At outlet of chiller 6-7 degrees C and at inlet of AHU 7-8 degrees C. At outlet of AHU 10-11 degrees C and at inlet of chiller 13-15 degrees C. Q. What are primary pumps and secondary pumps? The pumps from chiller to building is primary and in building transfer is secondary. Q. AHU and FCU valve connection details. Check my AHU installation details video. Q. What is CFM value? CFM equals 0.417 L/S. Q. What are the refrigerants used in split unit? R22, R12, R34, depends. Q. What are duct heaters and why do we use them if we already have heating option in AHU? Just to provide heating in some specific areas. Q. What is VAV and its working? Pressure dependent and pressure independent. To control the flow of air and temp. Variable air volume. Pressure dependent, the volume of air supplied by the terminal unit varies depending upon the static pressure, SP, in the primary air duct. Pressure independent terminal units have flow sensing devices that limit the flow rate through the box. They can control the maximum and minimum CFM that can be supplied and are therefore independent of the SP in the primary air duct. Almost all HVAC systems installed or retrofitted at present have pressure-independent VAV terminals. Pressure-independent systems can be balanced and will allow the correct airflow from each terminal. Q. What is three-way valve and two-way valve? Where we will use them and why? Two-way valve equals it will regulate the flow as per demand and it will be fitted in the return line.